Hi guys, most of them get answer 1 for this problem in wrong way. 12 divided by 2 times 3 is 6 divided by 2. Here 12 divided by 6 is 2 by 2. This gives one answer. So this is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right rule in the problem. Here left to right is 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6 times 3 by this 2. Here 6 times 3 is 18 by 2. Now do simplify this, we'll get here 9, which is 9 is the correct answer.